After confirming the drawings, perform slotting construction. Prepare to excavate strip foundation. Strip foundation with ring beam is the simplest type of foundation. Backfill the soil after 1 week of ring beam maintenance. Confirm the position of corner column reinforcement with a square line. Continue drilling and insert a vertical steel bar every 30 centimeters. Place T and L-shaped ICF blocks first. L-shaped ICF block. T-shaped ICF block. Place the first layer of straight ICF blocks. 90 cm straight ICF block, 60 cm straight ICF block. Place the second layer of ICF blocks. Splicing with the first layer of staggered seams. Insert the insertion plate at the door and window position. Insert the board at the same height as the ICF block. Add 1 layer of transverse reinforcement to each module layer. Binding horizontal and vertical steel bars together. Splice the first layer of ICF blocks to the specified height. Reinforce the support column with formwork after binding the steel bars. Place dedicated adjustment and reinforcement brackets. Install the roof support on the first floor. Laying steel mesh on the roof. One-time pouring of concrete for walls and roofs. Place the second layer of ICF blocks. Place the ICF block to the required height. Install support brackets. Install the second floor roof bracket. Top layer with insulation top plate. Completion of insulation top plate splicing. The top plate is at the same height as the wall. Binding top layer steel bars. One-time pouring of walls and roofs. Internal and external wall hanging net plastering. Installation of doors and windows, wall decoration.